welcome back to the channel again, guys. We're working on this Renault Clio. It's a 2022. We've got the spanner light, which I've reset anyway, but I'll show you guys as well how to reset the service light. So first thing first, turn the ignition on, and then we're going to hit the page until we get onto the car. There we are. And then once you're on that page, you're going to scroll down till we see the oil service there. And then to reset that, we're going to hold on to the OK button until things start flashing. So just keep hold of it until things flash. So keep hold of it and then it will stop itself. There we go. And then there's another service which will turn the spanner off. So we'll scroll down one more time. And then same again, hit the OK button, hold on to it until it flashes. And then the flashing will stop itself automatically. There you go. This will reset the spanner light, which I've just done, but I forgot to do it with you, with it being there before anyway. But that's that. And then if you start the car, there shouldn't be any warning.